Okay guys, so I had created my test namespace. I don't remember deleting it, but I had to create it once more. kubectl create namespace. So this actually fixed the issue where I was able to do the deployment now. So created the deployment. So now let's go back to here, expose, paste, expose. So now let's go back to port forwarding, copy, paste. Okay, port forwarding is done. So now let's go back to templates folder, tmplats. Okay, cd templates. Okay, now let's start doing this. Copy and paste. Okay, so now let's see this. Okay, so now this worked. So let's see what we get over here. So let's go to localhost 8080. Okay, so now from the code, let's copy the sample test data for testing. Copy, paste. Here you go. So yeah, so this is the application that we wanted, and it seems to be working fine. So thank you so much. Meet you again in the next video. Bye.